So today we're going to be starting to multiply, or at least reviewing how to multiply multi-digit multiplication. So this is a concept that you've probably learned since 3rd grade, but this time we're going to add a little bit of a challenge. So if you forgot, you can fast forward and rewind through these videos several times, but we're just going to start off with a 2-digit number. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually multiply these ones place values. So 3 times 5 is 15. Regroup the 1. And 5, which is in the ones place, times 2 in the tens place is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Now, most of us would often say that we're finished because we are so trained with single digit numbers, but the truth is we've got this tens place heading out over here. So what we're going to do now is we are going to multiply the tens place by the same digits we multiplied the 5 by. So there's our placeholder. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. We have a term for these two numbers. They are called additive products. It's so fancy. So we're going to take these numbers and we're going to add them together to get a final product. And our answer to 23 times 15 is 345. It's definitely better than adding 23 times 5 to 23 times 10, and that will give you the same number as well, okay? Let's try a harder one. This time, let's try a 3-digit by 2-digit number. Now, I like starting off with graph paper because I'm such an organized person, so it helps me really kind of look at where I'm placing my digits. So at any time you can try graph paper until you are able to kind of keep your numbers in straight lines. So that's just kind of one thing that we can do. All right, let's get started. So we're going to multiply our ones place. Now, this 4 and 3 is in the ones place. And then we're going to take the 3 and multiply it by 3 in the tens place. And take the 3 and multiply it by the 2 in the hundreds place. Okay? So I'm going to try to use a different color here just to kind of help you out. So 4 times 3 is 12. Regroup that 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus that regrouped 1 is 10. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. All right, so I know you guys want to be done, but we are going to head on to the tens place. So we have got to put down a 0 for our placeholder because we're multiplying in that tens place. And now let's multiply our tens place by the same digits we multiplied our ones place. So 1 times 4, 1 times 3, and 1 times 2. Now, I hope you didn't forget, these both are partial products. Partial means that we only have half of it, so we need to add together our partial products to get one final answer. So the answer to 234 times 13 is 3,042. Another quick strategy if you wanted to break this apart to get two separate partial products is to multiply 234 times 3 and add that to 234 times 10. Okay? And that should be it. I'm going to give you a practice problem just to kind of see if you're correct. Something that you can try on your own. Okay. And again, you can either try the standard algorithm, or in this case, you can break it up into partial products and use a form of distributive property. Wait for it. So at this time, you'd probably want to pause the video, try to solve it out, and see if you can get the answer on your own. Remember, honesty is what matters. So give it a shot. And the final answer is $33,488. Did you get it? All right, thanks guys. Hope this really helped you. If you have any other questions, just remember that we are always here for you.